This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 27th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather very warm today for late February. And again, some rain around this morning. We'll see a few spotty showers this afternoon, a better chance of rain tomorrow. And temperatures go the wrong way tomorrow with a cold front coming through and very windy conditions develop across the state. Later today, tonight, into tomorrow. And a lot of questions about the weekend ahead and much more. So much to discuss this morning. This is the current situation. This is the upper air look across the country. Have a trough beginning to dig down across the Rockies. That'll be driving that cold front through here tomorrow. And moisture has increased across the state. That's the radar composite early this morning. We're live at about 5:08. And you can see some light rain falling over about the northern half of the state. And we'll see some rain at times, mainly this morning. I think a decent chunk of the afternoon today will be dry. In fact, the sun might poke out later today. And if that's the case, we might see some spots reaching 80 degrees. We are starting off the day mostly in the 60s across the state. Montgomery 65, Birmingham 62. I'd say highs for most locations today between 75 and 80, much like yesterday. And for some, this will be the warmest day so far this year. And again, the winds will begin to ramp up. This afternoon and tonight, there is a wind advisory. The counties in brown on that map are about the northern two-thirds of the state. And we could see winds tonight gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. And these are gradient winds, not winds related to thunderstorms. And around the nation, very windy conditions across parts of the southeast, across parts of the Great Plains. And again, some snow issues out west and up north. There is a chance of severe storms today, kind of a broad area there from southeast Missouri up to the Great Lakes. That would include cities like Chicago and Indianapolis. No severe storms down here, no thunder down here today. Tomorrow, a low-end marginal risk over parts of eastern Kentucky and western Virginia, southern Ohio. Again, no risk of severe storms here, probably no thunder. And on day 3, which is Thursday, there could be some thunder across parts of Louisiana and some of the adjacent states, but severe storms are not expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Rain valid through Tuesday morning of next week. The numbers are coming up. We're now looking at rain amounts in Alabama between 2 and 3 inches, as we'll see multiple waves of rain over the next 7 days, which we expect. We're getting into March and April, the two of the wettest months of the year. But let's go through the scenario here. Model fans, this is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. There's the trough digging down across the northern and western states. Again, that'll be driving that front down this way. But again, today we'll have clouds around this morning with some light rain. And I think a decent chunk of the afternoon will be dry. This is the high-res HER, valid this evening at 6 o'clock, showing nothing. And again, the sun might peek out this afternoon. And where that happens, some spots may be touching 80. But the winds will be increasing. This is the wind gust. Now, these are 10-meter wind gust, valid tonight just after midnight. This is 1 a.m. And I think easily for the northern two-thirds of the state, we could see winds gusting to 40 miles per hour tonight. So get that state bird secured. And anything else out there in the yard, it might blow away. It's going to be very windy tonight. And again, these are gradient winds, not thunderstorm winds. So tomorrow, the cold front comes through with some rain at times. And again, I don't think we have any thunder, certainly no chance of any severe storms. And again, it's going to be a situation where temperatures go the wrong way. Numbers will be all over the board tomorrow. This is noon tomorrow, coming off the HER. The front approaching Montgomery. And at noon tomorrow, South Alabama should be in the mid-70s, maybe upper 70s. The Tennessee Valley in the 40s with a very chilly north wind. So it looks like for the northern half of the state, it'll be just a much colder day with 40s and 50s. South Alabama, you'll hit the 70s, and your temperature should begin to fall tomorrow afternoon. And again, some rain at times, but nothing too heavy. So this is Thursday. The cold front's on by. We're cool and dry. Lows in the 30s, highs in the 50s, and then, boom, the next wave comes in Friday with rain. This is going to be a cool rain. No thunder, just good old-fashioned rain. Highs in the 50s for much of the state. So what about Saturday? And again, could there be some rain? Absolutely. There probably will be, but it will be basically scattered showers. not a washout for sure. And we start to warm up. This is Saturday. Highs go back in the 60s. The chance of scattered showers. If you've got something planned outdoors, you should be able to get it in. Just be aware. Showers are possible. And the same thing on Sunday. Sunday should be mild. Highs go back in the 70s. Clouds, scattered showers during the day. Monday, here comes our next front. Now, the surface low is far, far north of here. The main low is up in Canada. The air will be somewhat unstable in advance of the front on Monday, so there could be some thunder. But again, with the main support far, far north, I don't think we have any severe weather. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 5th of March, the flow is zonal and the front hangs up. It runs out of gas, and some rain could linger into Tuesday of next week. So, again, wet at times Monday, Tuesday of next week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 7th of March. Got a trough coming into Texas. But again, evidence, maybe a few showers for the Gulf Coast, but much of the state dry with highs most likely in the 60s. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean is between 3 and 4 inches between now and the 13th of March. Temperatures off the NBM, National Blend of Models. This is for Birmingham. Of course, your number might be different. 77 today. Now, 73 tomorrow. That could come early in the morning. For the northern half of the state, temperatures settle into the 40s and 50s. It'll be much colder. South Alabama, yes, you'll be in the 70s tomorrow. But even there, temperatures will likely start to fall tomorrow afternoon. Then highs drop in the 50s. Thursday and Friday, we bounce back with low 70s by Sunday and Monday. After that, mostly 60s. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance, March 5th through March 11th. And again, temperatures below average in the west, above average in the east, including the deep south. Check some sunset photos last night. Get a lot of cow pictures, but I don't get too many sheep sunset photos. That was taken up in Blount County last night, but yeah, I found some cows. There you go. Nice sunset there last night. How about the sunset over the batting cages? I wonder how many BP sessions I have thrown with this old arm over the years. That was taken, I want to say that was at Briarwood High School last night in Shelby County, but good-looking sunset. A little smoky in spots because of all of the wildfires and brush fires. A lot of those across the state. Hopefully the rain over the next 7 days will knock out a lot of those. And Mobile Bay. Always a great shot there. So today, headed up to Madison County. I'll be seeing the kids at Columbia Elementary School this morning. That'll be a lot of fun. And then tomorrow, DeArmonville Elementary School in Madison County. I'm sorry, in Calhoun County. Madison County is today. Thursday, got Hamilton Elementary School on the schedule. That's up in Marion County. And then Friday, back to Calhoun County with Coldwater. And again, now don't forget a big event on Saturday. We're going to be doing a weather radio programming session and a book signing all at the same time. And this is going to be at Ace Hardware in Homewood. And, of course, we all remember Homewood was hit by that tornado back in early December, that rough one on a late Saturday night in early December of last year. So if you need us to check your weather radio, this is the chance to do that. We'll have folks there from the National Weather Service. And if you need to buy one, you can buy one there. They'll program it on the spot. And everybody here, you've got a weather radio because you're a weather dweeb if you watch these videos, but you need to let your friends and your relatives know about this. And at the same time, we'll have a book signing. We'll have Weathering Life, which is my autobiography. All you can do is pray. That's the book all about the generational tornado outbreak of April 27, 2011. In our children's series, and I think that's probably the most important ones we have. It's the Benny and Chipper series, Prepared Not Scared, and The Wonder of Thunder, and all of those cool weather T-shirts and hats from Crest Publishers, the Polygon shirts and all that. So again, that's Saturday from 10 until 1 at Ace Hardware in Homewood. Hope to see you there. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.